Hi everybody, how are you? So, today we're going to look at a long vowel sound, the long vowel oo. So, let's have a practice. Are you ready? Look at the way I'm doing it. To make this sound, you need to round your lips like this. And then have the sound come up from down here. So, listen to me. Ooh. Ooh. Now I'm going to do it side on. Look at my jaw. Ooh. It drops forward. It drops forward. Okay? Just practice after me one more time. Ooh. How did you go? Can you do it? If you can't, just keep practicing. Let's look at some possible ways of spelling the oo sound. The most common one is the split UE. So, we have a U, then a consonant, and then a silent letter, as in the E, silent E. So, here are some examples. Let's look at them. The first one. Okay, so let's start with dude. D-ood, dude. Dude, what's up? Next. T-oob, tube. J-oon, June. And R-ool, rule. So, let's move on to the next spelling, which is double O. Okay? The first one is T-oo, two. T-oo, two. Z-oo, zoo. Z-oo, zoo. R-oof, roof. R-oof, roof. And lastly, goose. G-oose, goose. G-oose, goose. So, we're moving on to the UE spelling. Okay? So, number one, sue. S-oo, sue. S-oo, sue. Cl-oo, clue. Cl-oo, clue. Gl-oo, glue. Gl-oo, glue. And lastly, blue. Bl-oo, blue. Bl-oo, blue. And finally, for the last one today, we're looking at the EW spelling. So, number one is Jew. D-oo, Jew. Through. Th-oo, through. Th-oo, through. Cr-oo, crew. Cr-oo, crew. And finally, flew. Fl-oo, flew. Fl-oo, flew. Okay, that's it for today. So, just remember, practice, 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 and I'll see you next week. Bye.